Hi, fourth grade. Mrs. Friedman. It's music time again. So, are you ready? All right. So, today we're going to do a lesson that is on the Music Play website. Remembering, Music Play looks like this when you are in the Learning Innovation Lab. So, let's go there. Every class, this is where you go to get your lesson. Music Lab. So when you click on the Music Lab today, you got this video, and I will be on here giving instructions, and then I'll tell you what to do. Google Classroom needs to be open also when you have music class, because I will have directions in Google Classroom and activity sheets in Music Classroom and Google Classroom. So let's take a look at what that's going to look like. Okay, so you'll see here it says Cycle 2. I'm going to move down. And it says Wake Me, Shake Me. That is your, or is going to be posted soon. That's going to be your activity sheet after you're done listening to the song. So let's take a gander at the song. So here we go. So the song is called Wake Me, Shake Me. And you'll notice when you listen to it, it's very, very repetitive, okay? And that's a good thing. Patterns are good because it really helps us ground ourselves in what's going on. So after you listen to Wake Me, Shake Me, you're going to notice, actually, let me play one verse of it. Hopefully you can hear it. It's kind of loud here. There's lots of wind and chimes and things. But let's see how it goes.
Shake me, don't let me sleep too late. I'm gonna get up bright and early in the morning. I'm gonna swing on the golden gate.
Now, you know, when you listen to this song, you're going to notice that those are the only words in the song. Wake me, shake me, just like the title. Don't let me sleep too late. I'm going to get out of bed in the morning. I'm going to swing on the Golden Gate. Oh, I'm going to get up bright and early. See, I really need to pay attention. I'm going to look at the words again. I'm going to get up bright and early in the morning. I'm going to swing on the Golden Gate. Okay, so that's what's going to happen to the person who wrote the song. They're going to get out of bed in the morning after they're woken and shaked. Okay, well, what are you going to do after you get woken and shaked? That's going to be your activity for today. So after you listen to the song, I'm going to ask you to also, there's something that happens in the song I want you to notice. Not only are all the words repeating and repeating, okay, because I gave you that one, but there's something else, and I'm going to ask you if you can please tell me what it is, okay? So when you listen to that song really carefully, what is happening in the music? Something is happening. Something happens. All right, let's see if you can describe it. All right, first you have to notice it, then you have to describe it. Okay? All right, so let's go and see how you're going to tell me about that. Well, on your Google Classroom, when you click on here, it's going to show you a link. And the link is going to be a Google form, okay? And the Google form is going to ask you to write your lyrics. Here it is. All right. So it says, let me move out of the way. Write a creative lyric. Okay. Song lyric. I started the first line for you, and you can see it below. It says, wake me, shake me, don't let me sleep too late, ... Because then down here where it says long answer text, this is where you're going to write your lyric. What are you going to do in the morning? Okay, the original one was, I'm going to get up bright and early in the morning. I'm going to swing on the Golden Gate. Okay, you're not going to do that. You're going to do something else. Your answer should have two parts. Okay, what are you going to do once you're woken up? Be creative. Use your imagination. And second, if you can create a rhyme for that last word, did you notice how gate You know, swing on the golden gate rhymes with late. If you can make it rhyme, extra bonus, but you don't have to. You don't have to. Sometimes things don't rhyme, and that's okay. But if it makes sense, it has to make sense. It has to make sense. Then fine. If you think, you know, there's not many words that rhyme with late that are going to fit in my idea, no worries. I'm just excited to see your ideas. All right, so I didn't finish making this form. There's going to be a space where you're going to say what else happened in the music too. And then you're going to submit it back to me, and I'll see what you wrote. All right, so that's it for this lesson. When you are done with this activity, there are 2 pages in your activity book packet that I'd like you to complete. They are the music staff pages. So there's always going to be some music activity pages also in your packet that we'll do after our activities. So do that too. This will probably take you the whole class period. All right? All right, if it doesn't take you the whole class period and you've done a thoughtful job and you're thorough and you're finished, then you can do your Did You Know? If you haven't done that, you can do your Epic challenge. You can do some keyboarding. And then if you're all done, you can go to, you can either work on your activity packet or you can go and play some games on Music Play Online or the resource room in the Learning Innovation Lab. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, 4th grade.